Welcome to Family Vlogs, and today I have a very wonderful unique video on how to make chapati using Chapati Maker. Make sure you stay with me until the end of this video, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, hit the notification bell for more videos that I will post. Let's go, let's roll it. Yes, so this is the machine that we have that is used for making chapatis, and I'm going to unbox it for you so that you may see it how it looks like. Ta-da! So this is the machine, the box to stay there, and this is it. So this is Chapati Maker, and you are going to see it very nicely, and this is how it looks like. I'm going to give you some few descriptions on parts of this Chapati Maker, so stay with me. So these are the parts. This is the handle, and this is how you open it, like this. So this is what we call non-sticky coating plates, these ones, and they are stainless. They cannot develop any kind of rust. And this is power cable, and also it has the power control knob. From this is maximum and minimum, and these are the lighting systems that I'm going to explain to you how you use this lighting system, so enable us to use this roti maker in a very nice way. Now the first thing that you must do is to insert this power cable into the socket. Let's insert. Power cable is connected, and now let's switch it on. I want you to focus on this part. When you switch the power cable on, there's a red light indication, and you have a minimum up to the maximum. You will put it like this. So for some 5 seconds you will see yellow light, and then you wait for 1 minute, then it will be very red. You can decide to put it up to the maximum, and then you wait for the roti maker or chapati maker to heat itself ready for making chapati. Now you can focus on the lighting. The green is off and red is still on. It means that now chapati maker is ready for use. So you can go ahead, and as you can see, there is some smoke coming out of it, meaning it's ready. So this is already made dough. Make sure your dough is very soft, and you just roll it into your hands. You roll it. So the already made dough, which should be very soft. As you can see, when I'm touching, it's very soft. And then you roll it into your palm, and you give a slight pat into your palm, and you make sure it is very soft, and you put it at the extreme end of the roti or chapati maker. Then this is where the better part of it comes. You just press like this for some few seconds, and then you can turn it. As you can see, I can turn it again like this for a few seconds, and then leave it for it to become fluffy. Some few seconds, and then you turn it again, and you leave it for some few seconds. That is 5 to 15 seconds. You will notice that it will start swelling at this particular sides. Yeah, let's check it again. You see, it is becoming fluffy, becoming fluffy, and then you put it again, leave it for it to become fluffy for 10 to 15 seconds. And then, as you can see, it is becoming very nice. After using chapati maker, make sure that you leave it to cool down first for around 30 minutes. Then you should be able to clean it with a dry piece of cloth. You start by cleaning the stainless plates very smoothly and soft, and then also clean the sides, and you clean it very nicely and make sure that it is very dry. Then you also clean on top, make sure the power knobs goes back to minimum, and you clean on top like this. Then you clean the sides also, bring that one back, you clean that. You also check behind and you make sure that it's very clean. You don't dip it in water because this is an electric appliance that if you dip it in water you can interfere with the internal cables. So make sure that you clean it, even the power knob, clean it very well. As you can see, the chapati maker is very clean, and you can decide to store it back or put it back where it belongs. So as you can see, our chapati is ready for consumption. Let's have some tea. Let's go to sitting room and have some wonderful tea with this nice soft fluffy chapati. So guys, if you want to purchase your own roti or chapati maker, click the link below this video and it will redirect you to Jumia Kenya. Just search chapati maker and you will get this stuff at a very good price. It is very, very nice and very, very easy to use. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Remember to subscribe, like and share all my videos. Thank you so much and muchas gracias.